Well, hi there, everybody, and good Thursday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. And looking ahead to the day today, will be a cooler day today, but not a bad day by any means. Now, we had a cold front come through yesterday. That's now well to our south and southeast, so it's a little chillier this morning with 20s and 30s to start things off. A few high-level clouds out there that aren't overly thick. As we go through the day today, well, we're going to see mostly sunny skies, again, a few of those high clouds from time to time, and a cooler day overall. But the good news is much lighter winds out there. If we see any kind of a breeze, it would be in eastern Nebraska, mainly this morning or early this afternoon. Again, a cooler day, but a pretty typical day for early November. Tonight, chilly, but not as cold. I think 30s and 40s should do it for overnight lows. A warm front coming through actually kind of helps level off those temperatures after midnight tonight. We'll see a few clouds pass through late tonight into tomorrow morning. And then during the day, Friday, I would call it mostly sunny, but maybe even partly cloudy at times as a cold front comes through. Mild temperatures expected for tomorrow, very similar to what we had yesterday, and also similar to yesterday, a late day cold front. And that will also bring those winds increasing as they flip back out of the northwest. And it will also cool back as we head towards Saturday. Very similar conditions to what we have out there expected for today. So kind of an up and down weather forecast these next 4 days, and then a whole lot of down, which we'll get to and pay more attention to here at the end of that 7-day forecast. So looking at today, mid to upper 50s up towards the north, mainly or mostly sunny skies, northwesterly winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. We actually start off with lighter winds out west, and they'll become southeasterly at 5 to 10 later on today, upper 50s and lower 60s. To the south, we're looking at temperatures in the mid to upper 50s and then some lower 60s down in northern Kansas. Again, winds will lighten up through the day. Winds will be a little bit breezier out in eastern Nebraska, especially earlier on, mid 50s, maybe even some upper 50s there around Hebron and Belleville, Kansas. So your extended forecast, again, a little up, a little down these next 4 days, but that's kind of between average and above average conditions these next 4 days, so not looking too bad overall. Sunday, though, enjoy it because it's the last of the warmth for quite a while. Monday, your temperatures, they'll likely start off in the 40s, may start off in the 50s, even maybe lower 60s down in northern Kansas, for highs at least, but temperatures for most of us are going to plummet. A very strong cold front's going to come in from the north, and behind that, temps drop quickly. We'll see the winds crank up, and it looks like a band of precipitation is going to kind of form behind that front, first in northern Nebraska and then kind of pushing southward during the day into Monday evening. Now, it looks like right now it could start off as maybe some rain initially and then change over to snow. The big question is how much. Some forecast models are a little more aggressive with the precipitation than others, so we could end up getting a whole lot of nothing or very little precipitation, and then maybe other forecast models kind of showing maybe a little bit of light accumulating snowfall, maybe even up to a couple of inches of snow. The ground temperature will be warmer, so that's also going to be a factor in the amount of snowfall that we could potentially see. So I'm not expecting a heavy snow. For some of you, it's probably just going to be a few flakes. We'll try to get that balanced out, that get issued out, I guess, figure out what's going to happen as we get a little bit closer. There still are some question marks with that forecast. Some light snow or flurries linger through Monday night, and it will be cold Monday night, 20 degrees, and then temperatures just struggle. The rest of next week looks cold. Veterans Day, 33 for a high. Some of you to the north and northwest will see highs in the 20s. Down into the teens for Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, and then most of us may not even make it out of the 20s on Wednesday. I did keep out a chance of flurries right now. There maybe is the potential we have to throw in some flurries for your Wednesday, but just the big story is it's going to be a whole lot colder out there next week, very almost winter-like out there, really. So I hope you get to enjoy these next couple of days because it all comes crashing down for at least about a week the way things are looking right now, or at least 5 days, I should say, heading into next week. So there's your forecast for this Thursday. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. I hope you have a fantastic day.